Good morning, class. How are you all doing? Hope you all had a good weekend. Alright, let's start our lesson with Shaping Maths Course Book 1B. We are done with 1A, all the chapters. So today we will start for Course Book 1B. Our first topic, in this we will be covering two topics. Alright, for this term we will be covering 2 or 3 topics. Okay, so here numbers 200, this is your first topic. We will learn numbers 200. We have done numbers 1 to 10, then we done 1 to 50, and now we'll be learning 1 to 100. What are we learning? 1 to 100 is about the number names, and this chapter is mostly learning about tens and ones, which we have already touched in term 2, okay, in our 1A book. All right, so in that we have learned about tens and ones, but here gradually as we go you will be learning the table of tens and ones. You will learn how to put the number into tens and ones table. Okay, so let's start quickly. On this page, on page number 2 and 3, you can see 4 children. These are the 4 friends who help us to understand better. Callie, David, Annie and Bala. So what are they doing? They are on the weekend. They say, I have these stuffs I have collected. David have collected all different toy cars. Okay, Callie has badges. Alright, and Bala has collected the keychains and she has collected the stickers. Annie has collected the stickers. So what are they doing? When they will count, they have done it very smartly. What did they do? They did not put it up messy in this way. Look at this page here. It is being arranged very messily, so it's a bit confusing when you count. But when you arrange the things, the objects in group of 10, it becomes easier to count and it becomes easier to add up. See, for example, this first row has 10 cars. So without counting, I have set my brain that one row has 10 cars. You can double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, this row has 10 and this row has 10. So 10 plus 10, 20, and this row, the third row, has only 1. So 21 toy cars. David is having 21 toy cars, whereas Callie, how many badges? I see 2 rows. When you see 3 rows, out of 3 rows, 2 rows are tens. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 2, the singles, the 2 badges. Alright, so 22. Callie has 22 badges. Now look at Bala. How many keychains? How many rows? You see 2 rows of tens, that is 10 plus 10, 20. And how many are in the third row? Only 3. So 23 badges Bala has. Whereas Annie has stickers. So in her first card, first row has 5. But there are 2 rows on one sheet. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. 4 stickers. She says, do you know how many stickers I have? Yes. Kelly, Annie, we know you have 24 stickers. Now come to page number 4 and 5. Here also 4 of them are now dealing with the stickers. What they are doing, the stickers were, the stamps were being kept jumbled up, mixed up, alright, not in a straight row, in a very messy way. So they arranged, when they arranged, what did they see? They see 2 rows of tens and 1 single stamp in the third row. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 1, 21. Then Annie says, okay, Bala says, I've already seen these are 20 and 1 makes 21. Then Annie says, now look at these. I say they are 22 stickers. Then Bala says, let me see. When he looks at the rows, he says, yes, 10 plus 10, 20. 20 and 2 makes 22. Then here we have David and Kelly. So David says there are 23 stickers I just counted. Kelly says I'll show you a better and an easier way. She arranged them in the row. So she got 2 rows of 10s. So 10 plus 10, 20, and then 20 and 3. 20 and 3 makes 23. Then Bala says, okay, now this one, I'll be quicker than you. While he was counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Kelly quickly, she has arranged them into rows of 10. So 10 and 10 makes 20, and 4, 20, and 4 makes 24. So there are ways to count, whether if you want to count it faster and quick, for an accurate sum, what you should do is always arrange them in the rows of 10s. So when you put them in 10s in one row, it's easier to count. Now, they say use the balls, colored balls, to make groups of 10s and count to tell the number. But they have already put the stamps in the group. So what you can do is, you can circle out. Count with me 10. Strike and count. You know how we count? You need to take a pencil, strike and count with me, and then you circle it around. Look at this. How will you count? You will strike 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and put it in the circle and write down 10 inside the circle. The rest which are outside, again count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and put them in the circle. Write 10 inside. How many are left out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are left out. Okay, we have done this in our course book 1A. If you remember, if you can recollect, it was chapter 6 if I'm not wrong. Now let's do this. So it is 25, 2 10s and 1 5. So you can even write here if you want at the side of the rows that there are 10 in each, and here there are 5. So 10 plus 10, 20, 20 and 5 makes 25. The same goes over here. Callie counted how? Cross and count, strike. You got to strike and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put that in a circle and write down 10. Then rest of them again strike and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You strike 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and put it in a circle and write down 10. How many are outside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are outside. So 2 10s make 20, 20 and 6 makes 26. The same goes here. Let's go on page number 7 quickly. Alright, now as you can see the dots, you can see these are pearls, okay, colored pearls. What they are doing, the beads, they put them in a bracelet, in a string. So each string has how many? Each string has 10 beads. So 10 and 10 makes 20. 20 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 20 and 7. Write down here 7. Say and write 20 and 7 makes 27. 20 is 20 and 7. So what you're going to write? 20 and 7 makes 27. Correct. Then next, 27. What is 27? How did you make 27? 27 is made with 20 and 7. Okay? Write down quickly. 20 and 7 makes 27. 27 is nothing but 20 and 7. This is tens and ones. Okay? Now look at number 2. You have 3 different colors. Blue, yellow and pink buttons. These are buttons. So what is it? What did they do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 yellow buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pink buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But there are 8 blue buttons. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 yellow buttons. Write down 10 here below the yellow button. Write down 10 below the yellow buttons. Write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write down 10 below the red buttons. Then below the blue buttons, write down 8. The reason I'm writing the color because I don't have yellow color markers. So I've written yellow. I think you all know by now. So the main part here is you got to write 10, 10, 8 below the buttons. Write down 10, 10 and 8. That means 20 and 8 makes 28. Please write down 20 in the box which is given on your right hand side. 20 and 8 makes 28. So 28 is, how is 28 made? Dash and 8. Which number? Correct. 20 and 8 makes 28. Here we are separating into tens and ones. Now look at the stars. The same thing. Green, blue, red. You have how many red stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 red stars. Write down 10 under the red stars. Green stars, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Green stars. You don't write the color. You just write the number. 10 green stars. And how many blue stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 9 blue stars. I want you to write number 9 below the blue stars. Okay, now dash and dash makes dash and dash makes 29. I want in tens and ones. How many tens? 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. 20 and 9 makes 29. So 29 is, how is 29 made? 29 is 2 tens, that is 20 and 9. Write down please. 20 and 9 makes 29. done with this, let's go to page number 8. If you're done with this, let me know. I'm going to erase this side of the board. While you're copying there's nothing much to copy. It's just the numbers you need to fill in the box. It's just the explanation which I've written on the board. So don't panic. Now, go to page number 8 and 9. Here you will see the dots in the boxes. Alright? Okay, let's see. Dash is 1 more than 29. Oh, this is very exciting. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here as well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What I'm doing here, I'm going to explain you now. This is the first box. This is the second box. And this is the third box. Okay. Now the question here is, dash is 1 more than 1 more. What do you mean by more? That means you are adding. Remember the sign? More means plus. 1 more than 29. 1 more than 29. Now look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 tens and 9 makes 29. But they say 1 more. So I'm going to add 1 more in this. You don't need to. I'm just explaining you. They have already given. I'm explaining you. If I put 1 more, now what will happen? This is 10. This is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 more than 29 is 30. 10, 20, 30. 3 tens. So write down 30 is 1 more. I want an addition sign here. When you see the word more, put a plus sign so that you know you need to count forward. Now, next line this is 30 and dash makes 30. Now, in 30, how many tens and ones? How many tens? There are 3 tens. How many ones? No ones. So it is 0. So 30 and 0 makes 30. 3 tens and 0 ones make 30. Now look at the question number 5. This is number 4. This is number 5. Alright, number 5. They have 30. They have dots. They say 31. Dash and dash makes 31. What and what makes? What and what makes 31? As you can see the dots here, 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30 and 1. There's an empty box only with 1 dot. So 10, 20, 30. This is 30 and 1. So you have to write here is 30 and 1 makes 31. So 31 is 30 and 1. Write this please. 30 and 1 makes 31. So 31, when you split in tens and ones, you will get 3 tens and 1 ones. Next, number 6. There are dots here. 10, 20, 30. But now in this box here, it was 2 dots. 2 makes 32. So 30 and 2 makes 32. Write down. Say and write so that you will understand. Now, tell me, I'm going to ask you this question. I'm going to turn the question and ask you, how do you make 32? How many tens and ones are there in 32? Then you will say, Miss Nisha, there are 3 tens. That is 30 and 2 ones. 30 and 2 makes 32. Very good. Now come to page number 9. Question number 7. I'm going to erase the side which I have drawn the stars for the previous page. Okay, let's continue. Quickly, let's focus and finish this. There are 3 boxes of tens and there is a box but 5 dots. So 30 and 5. Number 7. 30 and 5 makes 35. Whereas how do you make 35? You have 30 dots and 5 1 dots, 3 10 dots. That is 30 and 5 1 dots, which will make 35. Now let's go to number 8. Number 8 says there are 30, 10, 20, 30. Here in this box, just now how I drew this, there is 39. So 39 39, but this one I'm going to draw dots for you. If you have noticed, the box has increased. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is 10. There are 3 tens. That is 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 9. 30 and 9. So you have 3 tens, that is 30, and 9 makes 39. Okay, now 39 is made with 3 tens, that is 30, and single number 9. 9 ones, okay. Last question, number 9. What is the 9th question they are asking you? Dash is 1 more than 39. Dash is 1 more than 39. Let us look at number 8. This is 39. If I put 1 more here, then it will become 10 here. Am I correct? Then it will be 10, 20, 30, 40. Correct. So 1 more than 39 would be 40. Dash is 1 more than 39. What will you write there? 1 more than 39 would be 40. Remember, when you see the word more, put a plus sign. When you see the word more, put a plus sign, because you will know you have to add forward. You have to count forwards. 1 more, that means you put 1 more into 29, it will turn into 40. So 40 is 0, 0 and 40 and 0. Sorry, 40 and 0 is what? 40 and 0 makes 40 and 0 makes 40, because whatever you add with a 0, it will remain the same number. As you have 40 sweets, you keep them safe, you do not share, you do not eat, what will happen? It will still remain 40. Correct. So 40 plus 0 is 40. So this is for today. Alright, finish this and then later complete your homework. So tomorrow we'll be doing page number 10 and 11. We'll continue. Right? Quickly copy, quickly finish your work. If you did not understand anything, if you could not get it, please do message me personally and I will make sure that I explain to you. Even if I have to explain to you on WhatsApp, a video one-to-one, I'm ready to do it. But let me know if you're not able to understand. It's a very simple concept. Don't panic, don't worry. As we go ahead, we will understand that we are learning more about tens and ones. So you will have to learn to count in tens. Okay, so that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So you're counting in tens, the bundles. Okay, alright. Later I will see you for science. Bye for now.